This Equitas Realty property video is presented by kfoster. Very well maintained 3-bedroom ranch with 2 full bathrooms. Large eat-in kitchen with sliding glass doors to side yard, large pantry and laundry room close by. This home sits on 1.09 acres with a privacy fence that surrounds the backyard. There is a large sitting back deck with a patio that is a platform for a hot tub, not included in sale. The basement is a crawl space, great for extra storage, super dry with exterior access. If you are looking for a home that is single floor living and easy to maintain, then this is it. For more information, review the details below.